So we've been without power now for a couple days. This is the second day. It's what they're calling the Great Wind of 2017 here in Maine, which sounds kind of ridiculous, but it's actually kind of sucked. I think it's a lot worse than people thought it was going to be. It was hurricane force winds, but it wasn't an actual hurricane. They're saying right now almost 500,000 people are without electricity. So we're doing all right. It's really more inconvenient than anything else. So I'm going to go out to camp. I'm going to see what's going on out there, see if there's any damage. Hopefully not. I brought some containers with me to fill up with water, so we can use them for flushing toilets, and we heat it up with the little propane stove we have. Wash up with it, wash dishes, things like that. So before I head out, I'll show you my little temporary cooking setup in the garage. So this right here is my little temporary cooking setup out here in the garage. Just an old Coleman propane cook stove and a jet boil, which pretty handy little thing. It boils water in like 1 minute. Nice little temporary setup until things improve. I'm on the camp road now. A little bit of pine branches sitting on the road right there. I haven't seen anything major yet. The tree that fell. Ooh, that one's hanging down on the power lines right there. That's not good. Squeeze by this thing. Oh yeah, wrap right up in those power lines. That's not a good thing. There's the neighbor's dog. How's it going? Path is blocked by that birch tree. I don't see any big branches laying out on the camp. That's a good thing. The big oak tree over there, I'm always worried that's going to go down in a big windstorm. It's still standing. That's good. My dad and I came out here a couple days ago. We pulled the dock in, and he still had his boat in the water, so we got that out. Took it back to his house. Probably a good thing we did, because that might not have held up, because I'm sure it was rough as hell out here yesterday. A couple of our kayaks blew around a little bit, which I thought where we put them they wouldn't have done that, but I guess they did. So, check this out. We have this swing that we hang up here for the kids and adults to use, and it's wrapped right up around over here. Have to fix that sometime. The red squirrel. He made it through the storm. What's up, bro? It's our neighbor's old camp there. Like a branch from that oak tree laying on it. Looks like a broken thing. Oh wow. I just noticed something out in the woods. We have it's an old outhouse. We don't use it anymore. Haven't used it in years since we have plumbing now. But right in front of the outhouse is these two big think they're oak trees. I think one of them might have fallen over. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, look at that. This is starting to rot away pretty well anyways, but oh, look at that. This is the old outhouse right here. Like I said, we haven't used that thing in so long, but still standing. It won't be for much longer, but wow, I can't believe that thing tipped over. I'm going to fill these up with some non-drinkable water. As I said before, for flushing toilets, and if we heat it up at the stove, we can use it to do dishes. I'm going to take some lake water. I knew there was a reason why I saved all these freaking cat litter containers. Some loons. Good to see they all survived the storm. Alright, got some non-potable water now. The waters of Stetson Pond have healed me in a way, figuratively speaking. And now their water is going to help others. I know this sounds corny as hell, but it is true. It is true to an extent. So everyone, just wanted to show you what's been going on in the state of Maine over the last couple days, just to give you a little idea. There's some damage, as you can see. I don't think it's anything compared to what Texas, Florida, Puerto Rico, all them. I don't think it's anything compared to what they've gone through. But this is what we're going through right now. Hopefully we won't be up without power for too much longer. But it's kind of a mess. So I think I'm going to drop off some of that water at my parents' house. I'm sure they could use it. And see if I can see any more down lines or down trees. So thanks for watching. Until next time. Some damage to that fence right there. All those horses are.